Elevator D, going down.
All right.
Elevator D, going down.
All right, we're at the Courthouse Plaza Apartments in Arlington, Virginia. So these are modded from the time I filmed this back in 2014. So that's the point that some of the vintage fixtures are not there. But luckily, the touchscreen, the ones that you just saw, have been, you know, they made up for it. So I'm gonna take another route up. Right. We're gonna go up here, take one more ride. So we're gonna go up to roof. Thinks that these are modded by Codename. Alright. So this has 21 floors. If you, and then after that, Alright. Alright. Come on. Alright. Surprisingly, these are not too bad for 21 floors. Actually, I think it's 22 because this is below the first.